In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page in Squarespace 7.1. To begin, sign in to Squarespace. Open your browser, go to the Squarespace website, and log in using your usual account. This step matters because you need to access the editor where you can create and customize your page. Once you are signed in, you should be taken to your Squarespace dashboard, where you can manage your site. Next, go to Pages. Look for the navigation area in your dashboard or website settings, and select Pages. This is where Squarespace keeps all of the pages that are part of your site. Taking a moment to find the Pages area ensures you are adding your new landing page in the correct place rather than accidentally updating something else. Now click the plus icon. The plus sign is typically used to create a new page or add a new item. After you click it, you will see options for different types of pages. This is the place where you choose what kind of page you want to build first. Select Blank Page. Choosing Blank Page gives you a clean starting point with no pre-built layout, which is ideal when you want full control over the design. After you select it, Squarespace will prompt you to name the page. This naming step helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to create multiple pages later. Enter a page name and press Enter. Use a clear name that makes sense for your landing page, such as the topic of the page or the purpose it serves. When you press Enter, the page will be created and added to your site. You may see it appear in the Pages list, which confirms that your new page exists and is ready for editing. After that, click Edit. Editing opens the page builder and lets you customize the layout and content. Take a moment here to make sure you are editing the correct page, especially if you have more than one page in your project. Once you are in edit mode, you will see the page canvas and options to add content. Now click Add Section and add the content you want. This is the main step where you build your landing page. In Squarespace 7.1, sections are used to organize content blocks such as text, images, buttons, and other elements. Click Add Section. Then choose the type of content or section you want to include and place it on the page. As you add sections, you can typically adjust spacing and layout so the page flows the way you want. This is also where you make the landing page match your goal, whether that goal is sharing information, highlighting a product, or encouraging visitors to take action. When you are satisfied with your content, click Save. Saving is important because it locks in your changes. If you leave before saving, you may lose updates you have just made. After saving, you should see confirmation that your work has been stored successfully, or at least notice that your page remains updated. Finally, click Exit, then Publish. Exiting returns you back out of the editing view. From there, publishing is what makes your landing page live on your site so visitors can see it. Make sure you use the correct publish option, since the intent is to ensure the page is accessible through your website. Once publishing is complete, you can close the editor and return to your dashboard or site manager. And that covers everything you need to know. You have created a blank landing page, added the content you want, saved your changes, and published it so it is ready for visitors.